The Bank of England was founded in 1694, and it is the most important national bank in the world. Full stop. It issues bank bills, drawn on itself for any amount between euro 10 and euro 1000, and its directors fix the bank rate, full stop, to encourage persons of limited means to save, there are savings banks and penny banks, full stop. Bankruptcy disqualifies the bankrupt from membership of a town council, sanitary authority, education authority, or vestry, full stop. These disqualifications may cease if the bankrupt can prove that his bankruptcy was due to misfortune, full stop. Paragraph change. The embankment known as the Thames embankment is, next to some sea embankments, the finest in the world, full stop. I should like to call attention to the fact that special attention must now be given by bookkeepers to the system which enables the merchant to ascertain whether, say, the silk department, the shipping department, or the foreign department of his business is making a profit or a loss, full stop. A large number of excellent positions in the electrical department, the paving department, or the cleansing department of our corporations are open to those who have a good knowledge of bookkeeping, full stop. My attention has been called to a youth who gave special attention to book keeping when at school, comma, and who is now reaping the reward of his zeal, full stop. Advertisements appear regularly in the accountant's journal, comma, the journal of commerce, comma, and other weekly journals for persons qualified to act as bookkeepers, full stop, close.